Everybody, Alex Kaufman here, Teifke Real Estate. Welcome to Opportunity City. We are in Leander, Texas. As you may know, we partnered with one of our agents, John Michael Perez, on a property we found off market here in Leander. Was a listing appointment turned into a cash offer. Bought the property. Now we're here in the process of flipping it. We're in the final stages, and you know, flipping properties is a whole lot of fun until you got to do all the work in between. And so we got a lot of stuff going on today. I'm gonna take you a day in the life of a real estate investor flipping a property, show you what we deal with, show you what we got to go get. Right now, found out that we don't have enough paint. It's like my third, fourth trip going to get paint, so we're gonna go get some more. We got a broken tile on the inside that we need to replace that I'm gonna try and find a replacement for, and we got to get a waterline flex tube for the dishwasher. So take you along the ride with me, and let's go. Alright guys, so this is my least favorite part of flipping properties, is going to get materials. So this is where it comes in handy to have a company like Longhorn Construction and Development, powered by TRE, to be your GC, to make sure you're getting all your materials on time, you get everything you need. That's the more passive way of doing it. Longhorn was extremely backed up, so we couldn't get them on this property as quickly as we wanted to. So we are the GCs on this project, and that means that we got to coordinate the labor, we got to get the materials, we got to bring it all here, we got to verify everything's done right, we have to double check everything. If things are not looking the way we want to, we got to correct it, fix it. This is probably like my 10th trip to Home Depot to get stuff for this project, and it takes up a lot of time. I probably spent like 10, 12, 15 hours just getting materials, sitting at Home Depot, driving there, driving all the way here, driving back. Honestly, I think it's a better use of time versus money to just hire a GC to do it. That way I can be out focusing on other things instead of get materials. However, we're here, so we're driving to Home Depot, about 18 minutes away, and we're gonna go get some more paint. See you in a minute. I told you not to do that. Sorry. It's okay. COVID's over. Nobody wears masks anymore.
You're gonna get torn up in the comments for that. What are we picking up?
Paint. So 5 gallons gray, 3 gallons white. Little pro tip: paint takes them a little bit to mix up if you're getting something special. So we're gonna order the paint. While they mix all that up, we're gonna try and find some tile and some flex tube water lines. No tile, flex tube, let's go get the paint. Let's get this AC on. It's a little muggy today. Got all the paint, got the flex tube. Did not get the Spanish towel. but the contractor's gonna have to go pick that up. Whoever said construction guys don't drive Priuses? So now gonna go drop off all the paint, the flex tube. Pretty excited to see how this looks on the outside. We've seen the inside, and they should be finishing this up today. He said he needs a dumpster. This is new. The quote was supposed to include the haul off, but we may have to get a dumpster. So just solving problems as they arise, trying to get this thing finished by tomorrow so that we can get the stager to come in, get everything staged, and then pictures on Thursday, get it listed Friday. So heading back to the project now. Alright guys, so we are here in Georgetown, Texas. Got all the materials and everything that we needed for the flip in Leander. Hopefully that is going to be finished today. Stager coming tomorrow, pictures Thursday, and then get it listed Friday. Matt and I just got back from a meeting with one of our agents. It was Brandon Diggs. He was the agent of the month a couple months ago. So we took him out to lunch, caught up, and there actually may be some exciting things coming with Brandon Diggs. We'll keep you updated on that. But right now, we're about to go inside. We have to record a podcast. We're going to record that podcast, and we're going to record some educational videos, and we'll see you right after that. All right, we just finished that podcast. It was with a guy named Kevin. Matt set this one up. It was a lot about the cannabis industry, so we talked about the benefits of cannabis and prohibition and what's to come in the business and everything cannabis. So just finished that up, just got done recording some educational videos. Matt just rolled out. Y'all missed him. Maybe you'll see him next time. But now I got to catch up on a lot of stuff with our agents and our brokerage and the wholesaling company. So I'm going to get caught up, then possibly cooking some zucchini lasagna tonight. So hopefully that'll be good, but it's been a great day. Exciting getting all this stuff knocked out. Hopefully have that flip up on the market soon. But thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.